Today, everybody, I'm the beginning who says by Selena Gomez, and here I go. You never insecure, tell me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got something you like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I don't wanna be anybody else. Na 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 na. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. Na 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 na. You got every right to be beautiful night. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's heard it? Trust me, that's always a beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who say you're not star potential? Who said you're not presidential? Who said you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who said you can't be big? Who said you can't pass tests? Who said? Who said? Would you tell me who said that? Yeah. Who said? Who said? Who said you were perfect? Who said you were worth it? Who said you're the only one that's heard it? And I'm losing my voice today, so better for everyone. But bye.